Foremost, let's set the tone for the statement in the free speech spirit from which PGMN was built. Ready? Zoom in. Closer. On behalf of my family, on behalf of everyone at PGMN, and on behalf of the entire Philippines, fuck Martin Romualdez. Secondly, as is the case for all honest anti-Romualdez posts on social media these days, this PGMN episode will be hit by a big troll farm again. Locked profiles with no posts, no friends, no pictures, accounts all created last week. Why? Because Martin is finally in real trouble with the ombudsman and wants to make sure that anyone who speaks out against him now will be attacked by a call center of hateful ogres. But we know you're not naive. You were not born yesterday. You know to look at the substance of the content itself rather than the haha reactions and hateful comments from empty accounts with no profiles, remembering what the actual point of this whole thing is. What is the point of this whole thing? It's that the biggest problem in the Philippines is and has always been corruption. And the most corrupt politician of the 21st century is Martin Romualdez.
Bakit kaya hindi mabanggit-banggit ng CEO na founder ng PGMN mga kababayan, ito ni Franco Mabanta at itong anchor niya na si CG Hero sa kanilang mga magagandang mga expose umano dito sa kay CG Hero, itong Martin Luther fan, saka itong kay Franco Mabanta, itong number one na most corrupt politician in the Philippines umano, itong si Martin Romualdez. Pero ang nakapagtataka mga kababayan, iwan ko lang kung napapansin nyo rin ba ha, kung pinanood niyo ang mga exclusive video expose nitong dalawa, itong si CG Hero at saka itong si Franco Mabanta mga kababayan, kabahaba ng kanilang mga video expose hinggil dito sa korupsyon ng flood control anomalies mga kababayan. Ito umano si Martin Romualdez ang kanilang tinutumbok na ito ang utak ng nakawan dito sa trilyong pisong nakawan dito sa Kaba ng Bayan. Kapag tataka ha, iwan ko lang kung kayo hindi pa nagtataka dito na ni minsan hindi nabanggit itong pangalan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos mga kababayan. So parang nakakaalarma, nakakaduda itong PGMN mga kababayan. At namumuo sa isipan ko na talagang orchestrated itong mga expose nila. Ha? Walang nabanggit maski isang beses lang na pangalan ni Bongbong Marcos dito sa malupit expose nila dito kay Martin Romualdez mga kababayan, na binansagan nilang the most corrupt politician in the Philippines. Hindi ko hindi ko lubos maisip kung bakit hindi lumabas ang pangalan ng pinunong ehekutibo. So hanggang ngayon ay namumuo pa sa isipan natin ang isang malaking katanungan kung bakit hindi nabanggit ang pangalan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at bakit hanggang ngayon ay wala pang isinampang kaso laban dito kay Martin Romualdez mga kababayan.